G'day, welcome to chapter 5 of my RX323 rest day videos. I've had a few people asking me, sending me comments, and thank you for that, so keep them coming along. A lot of questions are, when's the next video? Well, this is just a bit of an update of what's happening. There's going to be still a few more weeks. I've got my 13B is coming. I should have that soon, and I'll have a video on how we get that and going to pick it up. Also, just give you a quick overview of the car, where it's at now. We haven't done much more to it, just been driving around, having a bit of fun with it. I've also got some bits and pieces ready to go for the conversion of the rotary, so yeah, I hope you enjoy this little short video. Okay, so these are some of the extra parts that I've got for the car already. Pedal box, manual pedal box, because the car is automatic, so it converts over to manual. I've also got this, which is the engine mount for, it's a cross member that bolts on where the sway bar goes. This is the engine mounts for bolts onto the front of the engine for the rotary, so we can convert the rotary. Also, a good thing I've done, I've been able to manage to sell a lot of the other parts as well. Sold my front struts, the old 323 struts, and I have a bit more room in my garage.
Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel, where today we are going to be doing...
We're going for a drive in the Mazda, and Delaney's just found an exciting new feature on this old car. What is it, Delaney?
It's a window winder! There we go!
Obviously all our new cars have electric windows, and this is a novelty to them. So we're about to go for a drive. So I went down and saw Simon at ProMaz, asking about seeing if he had any 13Bs, and he does. So he's helped me out with a cracking 13B Bridgeport engine, fuel injected. So I've just got a little video of he took for me. It's in his wife's car at the moment. He's going to pull it out, and then I'm going to swap it into my 323. So just take a look at this video. If you've got any other comments, please don't hesitate to let me know what your thoughts are. Any advice, please comment out, and make sure you like the videos and tell everyone else about it. So yes, all that noise and hell and fury is going to go into this beautiful little 323. So that's Simon's RX3. He's taking out that 13B Bridgeport and putting in a 20B, which is going to be an absolute crack, and I can't wait to see how that goes. So as I said before, if you like, make sure you like the video, comment, subscribe to our channel, and we'll keep going with these fun little exercise that we're doing of this RX323 restoration. I'll see you on the next video.